Good morning. It's Keith back with Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. I told you a few days ago I was going to do a video for those of you that were looking into possibly getting a vibration plate. And so I thought I'd do it this morning while I've got really good light in the living room. So anyway, the reason I bought a vibration plate was multifaceted. Last year, as some of you who have watched my videos know, I had a couple of heart attacks. And then in August, I had 2 stents implanted and then 4 more in October. I was pretty plugged up. They had a lot of work to do. But I wanted to get back into shape as soon as I could, as soon as I got past the recovery period from the stent implants. And I started going to my gym, and I use a place called OsteoStrong, which I have a video on my channel about OsteoStrong, which helps you rebuild bone when you've got osteopenia or osteoporosis. And all of that combined was part of my game plan for what I was going to do after getting released from my cardiologist. And one of them was I started seeing vibration plates pop up on Facebook all over this place. And I thought, well, what the heck are these things? So I investigated it pretty heavily, and it appears that they do a lot of things for you. And I use it primarily to clean out my lymphatic system. As I got back into working out and skiing more, I was having muscle tightness and soreness, which is lactic acid building up in the muscles. And the vibration plate is one of those things that can help reduce that and get rid of it through the lymphatic system. So that was my primary use for it. But since then, I've seen all kinds of people coming out, YouTubers doing videos on exercises that you can do on the vibration plate. And I'll link those below so you can find a couple of them to look at and see what you think of them. But for right now, I just wanted to show you my vibration plate and then a couple things I do when I'm standing on it. It's hard for you to see the vibration as it's taking place, so it's not going to be very exciting from that point of view, but at least I can show you how I use it and what I do with it and how the programs work. So let's get started. Here is my vibration plate by a company called AVX, and I will put that into the description below so that you can find it on Amazon where I bought mine. And you can see where the silver buttons are. That's how you're supposed to be able to place your feet on it. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is get up on it. And I have it programmed for program number 1, which is pretty much just a normal program to be able to use when you're wanting to get on it for a short period of time. I've got it set for 10 minutes, and you can watch the lights go. And I think probably through the video and through my legs, you can see the vibration taking place. So I'm going to shut it off now after you've seen it running. You can watch the time count down, and it's got the lights going, so it lets you know where it's at in the program. And then it shows you the vibration level that it's doing every once in a while, which is good. So you can tell how high it has become. So let me stop it. And I'll step back off of it. Pretty much that's it. There's not a lot to these things. It's a matter of using the program that suits your needs. The machine has 5 different programs that came in their manual. And here's the manual. Vibration exercise machine. And inside it has different programs that you can do. And I had it set while I was doing this one at program number 1, which is basically just your regular one for yoga. 2 is ride, 3 is swim, 4 is run, and 5 is climbing. And what it does is the vibration goes up in the intensity and then drops back down regularly over the course of the program. Well, like I told you, it was a pretty simple illustration of how the machine works. Once you buy it and you use it for 10 minutes, you know everything you need to know to be able to use it. There are a multitude of exercises you can do, from sitting on it, doing planks with your elbows on it. You can do stretching on it, touching your toes, twisting side to side. There's all kinds of exercise you can do on it. And as you stretch the muscles and they're vibrating, you're getting the lactic acid out and you're helping yourself stay in shape. There is a toning effect that goes along with this. Some people will tell you in their videos that you're experiencing upwards of 100 sit-ups or 100 squats as you stand on it for 10 minutes. I think that's probably pretty accurate, knowing how I feel when I get off. But I use it after I go skiing or after I go to the gym. In the evenings, I generally do it while I'm watching television. Just 10 or 15 minutes. You can make it any length of time you want, and you can set the programs, or you can do it manually and set the intensity with the remote. Anyway, this is Keith with Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. I hope that you enjoyed this and got some information out of it. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.